back to Water Fountain Review. Today, my guest host is...
Brooke Porter.
Woohoo!
Thanks for having me, guys. So great to be here.
Awesome. Today, we're going to be reviewing The Sink from the Beze Underground. And I'm so excited to be back for our second episode, everybody. So let's get to the review. Alright, everybody, we're going to be starting with the cold water from the Beze Underground fountain. Cheers, Brooke.
I mean, it's lukewarm.
And it's not like standard San Antonio rock water, like mineral-y.
I know, I'm missing the limestone.
Right, like where's my rocks that I expect?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually pretty good.
It is. It's a lot better than I figured it would be, considering most water I've tried on campus from sinks is not very good.
Right, this is better than expected for sure.
Yeah.
It is refreshing.
It makes me excited for the hot water.
I'm also excited for the hot water. Well, for now, what do you give the cold water out of 10?
Surprisingly, it is an 8 out of 10 for me.
I understand. I also am going to give this an 8 out of 10. Wow. All right, let's move on to the hot water. Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we're going to be reviewing the hot water from the sink at the Beze Underground. Starting off, it isn't as hot as I would have liked it to been. This is like warm, like sub-hot, but I've definitely had hotter water from a tap before.
I agree. My water at home gets hotter than this. Although I will say, to give it a little bit of saving grace, you can see like the little steam on the glass. So it is warm. It's just not hot.
Right. Well, cheers. Pretty satisfying water overall. I think it warm is also surprisingly better than I would have thought.
I agree. You know, maybe it not being too hot actually adds to some of the flavor profile for me. I mean, it makes it not like burn my tongue or anything like that, so I don't know.
Well, and people at home, you may not know that hot water, if you haven't tried it recreationally, is fairly enjoyable when you're kind of out and about. It keeps your body nice and normal. You don't have to work to cool it or warm it up.
Yes, especially nice when the temperature drops below like 60.
Today is a kind of cold day. You know, it was what, 65 today, something like that in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
So this water, pretty refreshing.
It is.
Note-wise, I can tell, well, that's the great thing about hot water. It masks a lot of the little mistakes. And the great thing is that this water was pretty good to begin with.
Mm-hmm. There wasn't much to mask, but whatever there was to mask, this did well.
Pretty good water. Well, Brooke, what would you rate the hot water out of 10?
Well, considering I liked it so much and considering it's a cooler day today, I'm actually going to have to rate this a 9 out of 10.
I'm amazed. This is also a 9 out of 10 for me.
Really?
Excellent water. Not a 10 out of 10, but you know what? This does its job excellent.
Always room for improvement, but this sure comes close.
It sure does. Well, thank you, Brooke, for joining me, and thank you for watching Water Fountain Review. Cheers, everyone.
Endeavor, 2-engine Marone.
2-engine Marone.
Roman, 1, we like
adjusting a heater on the environmental control life support system. Endeavour can reach Maroon in the event of a single engine failure. However, all 3 main engines are still operating well.
Water failed.